Hello everyone, this is Vipin Sharma, your expert in aviation and tourism industry, and I'm working in this industry for last 37 years. I'm so glad to share with you that we are getting a lot of requirement for overseas jobs right now, and we are working very closely with THSC, which is Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council. And along with them, we're getting jobs from Dubai, and many other countries are also going to offer the jobs very soon. So if you're interested in applying for these overseas jobs, then all you need to do is just register yourself with us, and we'll be shortlisting you after a brief interview and helping you to connect with the employer directly. You will be getting a letter directly from them for your employment, and once you are selected, you will get a salary of anything between 1000 to 1500 AED, and all your expenses for your meals, for your accommodation, for your medical, for your insurance, all will be looked after by your employer, and you will have a lot of growth opportunities from there to grow. Well, most of these jobs are available currently for food and beverage services, for front office and housekeeping. And I'm showing you on the screen right now some of the jobs which we have got recently, where all the details and everything will be shared with you once you register yourself with us. Well, if you are interested to apply, the only eligibility is that you should be good in your communication skills and you should be minimum 12th pass. Just go on the link which is given below, click on that and register yourself, and we'll be calling you soon for your interview. Till then, all the best, and we'll see you soon.